In this video, I'll show you a few simple and effective steps to optimize Windows 11 for gaming. These tweaks are easy to apply, and once you're done, you should notice higher FPS, smoother gameplay, and lower CPU and RAM usage. So without any further delay, let's get started. Alright, first step, we're going to turn off memory integrity to reduce CPU load and help boost FPS. So go to Windows Search and type Windows Security and open it. Then go to Device Security section and click on Core Isolation Details. If memory integrity is turned on, toggle it to turning it off. Once you do that, restart your computer so it can apply the changes. After restart next, we'll disable Hyper-V and virtualization features, which can improve gaming performance, especially on older systems with limited RAM. Go back to Windows Search again and type Turn Windows Features on or off, then open it. Scroll down and look for Hyper-V. If it's enabled, uncheck it. Then scroll further and find Virtual Machine Platform and uncheck that as well if it's enabled. Click OK, and if Windows asks for a restart, go ahead and restart your PC. After that, we'll disable some unnecessary Microsoft features related to telemetry and data tracking that you don't really need for gaming. To do this, open your browser and search for O&O ShutUp10++. Go to the official website and click on Download for free and download the correct version for your system. If you're on 64-bit Windows, download the 64-bit version, and if you're on 32-bit, grab the 32-bit one. This tool will help us fine-tune privacy and background settings to further improve gaming performance. Once the download is complete, open File Explorer, go to your Downloads folder and run the tool. When it opens, you'll see a long list of options that can be disabled. This is a bit confusing for normal users to know which settings are safe to change. So the first thing we'll do is create a system restore point so we can easily roll back if anything goes wrong. To do that, click on the Actions menu and select Create a System Restoration Point. If confirmation pop-up appear, select Yes and give it a moment to finish. After the restore point is created, go back to the Actions menu again, and this time select Apply Only Recommended Settings. In my case, I've already applied these, so it shows that all recommended settings are already set. These recommended options are safe and only disable unnecessary background features, which helps improve privacy, reduce background activity, and can even give you a small FPS boost during gaming. Next, we'll remove pre-installed apps that come with Windows 11. Many of these apps run in the background and consume CPU and RAM, so debloating them will make your system cleaner and more lightweight. For this step, open your browser and search for Titus WinUtil. Open the GitHub page and scroll down a bit. To run this tool, first open PowerShell as administrator. Then copy the command from the stable branch under the launch command section, paste it into PowerShell and press enter. After entering the command, the WinUtil tool will open. Go to the Tweaks tab. Here you'll see two sections, Essential Tweaks and Advanced Tweaks. I'll walk you through what to select in both. First, you can safely select all the essential tweaks. These are completely safe and won't cause any issues on your system. For the advanced tweaks, you can skip them if you're happy with the essential optimizations, as those alone are more than enough for most users. However, if you want extra optimization, you can enable a few advanced options. For example, if you don't use any Adobe applications like Photoshop or Illustrator, you can safely check the Adobe-related option too. Once you've made your selections, click the Run Tweaks button. The tool will start and run step-by-step all the tweak scripts. After a few seconds, you'll see a message showing that the tweaks have finished successfully. Now the tool has disabled telemetry, removed unnecessary bloatware, and optimized Windows for both gaming and everyday use. Now you can go ahead and restart your computer. Once the system boots back up, launch your games and you should notice better FPS, smoother gameplay, and reduced in-game lag. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.